So the other kit that's there for art, more focused, is the watercolor kit. And with the watercolor kit, you have a palette of watercolor paints. You have the brush in there, so that's all ready to go. And then you have the watercolor paper, and then you have the watercolor, like the canvas board that you can use to do watercolor paintings on. So I would do this. I would always make sure you start getting them used to watercoloring, and this is one that you can do as a whole virtual support because there's enough in there. There's in the watercolor palettes with brush, the watercolor paper, and a actual canvas board out for everyone. And what I would do with a client, or if you're doing this at home with your child or you're the caregiver, is make sure that you get everything set up, get a nice space that you can actually put something down on the tabletop or whatever you're doing it on top of, so that paint doesn't get everywhere. It's watercolor; it's going to come off because it's water based, but making sure that you have a nice area for that, and then with the watercolor paper, making sure that you have the water colors and everything laid out ahead of time. You kind of maybe draw or lightly draw what you want to do with the watercolor, because watercolors, unlike the acrylic, won't really cover up pencil or pen. So you can't really draw and sketch it out ahead of time. You're going to have to lightly do some things and maybe figure out where things are going to go, because watercolors are not going to really cover up the color of or go over top the pencil or the pen that you maybe traced or drew outlines of things that you wanted to color in. So it's really fun. Enjoy it. It takes a little bit of practice. That's why the watercolor paper is a great way to always start before you start going to the canvas board. So you get some experience practicing and working with watercolors before you go to the canvas board.